Hi, I'm Sunil. I'm one of the QCers at Zigat Hyderabad. I'm here to explain and demo the new Pinwheel tool. The first thing we do is click on Get Task. This takes us to an option where we can select a queue and a task. The data collectors might want to select data collection as the task. This would retrieve the property that you should work on. Click on Verify and collect data. This takes us to the main page where we can find tabs and information about the property. If you think scrolling is a bit difficult, you can find tabs to the left of the screen. You can select tabs according to your convenience. The first thing that we can look at is the identity or the title of the property. This is right in front of the operator so that the operator is always aware of what he is dealing with. The first tab we have is metadata. This includes feature ID, status, vertical, and links. The next tab that we have is categories. Changing a category is very easy on Pinwheel tool. But changing the categories also changes attributes according to the vertical. Now we have root data as the vertical. The moment we change it to restaurants, and select the appropriate restaurant and publish it, and when the changes are saved, the vertical is changed to restaurant or cafe data. We can see the vertical has changed to restaurant or cafe in metadata now. And the attributes for a restaurant are included, which are meals, reservations policy, alcohol, etc. The next attribute is names. The names represent the property's title or the name of the property. Adding a name is easy by selecting Add Another Name, and you can delete it as well. The preferred title should be the main title of the property. The next tab would be Address. We can find detailed view here as well as normal view. Changing the address can be easy on Pinwheel tool. You can select the address that you want to change and paste it here. The moment you paste it and search, the Google database searches for the accurate address. If you try to look for spammy or wrong addresses, the Google database would not retrieve it. Click on Apply to change the address. You can see that the marker is automatically changed to another location. And changing the marker location is easy. Click on the marker and drop it at the accurate location. The street view can be accessed without moving to maps.google.com. It will be better if the map view can be maximized so that the operators at GTL would have a bigger view of the street view. The next tab we have is Phone. If you have problem finding the country code, Google database has it. Just look for the country code that you need, type in the country name. For example, United Kingdom. And when you select it, the country code automatically changes. The next step we have is website. You can click on launch to look at the website without typing it or pasting it onto the URL. And next thing would be the hours. Selecting multiple days is easier on Pinwheel tool. And an option to add more hours is a plus point. If a restaurant is open for lunch and dinner and is closed in between, you can add multiple hours according to the restaurant's hours. You could also add multiple days in case the restaurant is open on weekends for different hours. The next tab we have is status. You can select either of these to determine if the property is permanently closed or not. And the later attributes are related business, additional information, restaurant, or cafe data. You can fill them according to the vertical. The last but not least is the contact info, where you can fill the name of the most recent contact, and click on set data time to capture the timestamp. Notes from data collection represents the operator's notes regarding any changes or any new data collected. That is it. Thank you.